Hello and welcome back you guys to this video. Today we are gonna continue where we left off, and in the previous video what we did was we took some information from the user and then we tryna made our code to draw certain shape based on the things that we get from the user. To try this, we just run it once again. If we want to draw something like a hexagon, the hexagon has 6 members. We just put 6 here. We go back. Boom. We have our hexagon here. What I want to do now is we want to make a circle of hexagons. This is what we are interested in. So let's see. By the way, just a challenge for yourself. Maybe you can pause this video and try doing it for yourself. Then come back here and do it again with us. Okay, so what we need is a loop. Actually, we need to just draw this many times. So what we are going to do now is I'm gonna define a new function. I will call it I'll call it circle shape. Alright, and then I will come back here. Probably this one we need actually to ask the user to give us the number of members in his for the shape that he's looking for. Then I will declare something like I equals to 0. Down here I will do a while loop. Then I will say while I is less or equals to 100. Let's say we just want to run this 100 times. I'll come back down here and then I will say shape. Now I will say shape because I need to draw this shape right here first. And then this function shape, what does it take? It takes n. And what is n? N is the number of members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Alright, so we just give it number of members. Then I am going to take my arrow and then I'll say arrow dot left. Yes, exactly like this. Then I will just say 7. After this, then I will just increase the value of I so that I just keep count of it. Plus equal 1. Once it reaches 100, then it's going to draw my shape. Okay, I just want to give a quick demonstration here. Where's my drawing thingy? Okay, what is this? I'm not looking for that. Okay, what it's going to do is once it draws this, then it's gonna come here and then it will draw another hexagon. Oh my goodness, my drawing is really bad. It's gonna come here and then it's gonna draw another hexagon right here, somewhere here. Oh, this is really bad. Okay, I'll just keep running my code and then you will find out what I'm looking at. Okay, then here I need to change this from shape to, I will just call my function, which is circle. Circle shape, and it does not take any parameters right here. It doesn't take anything. Okay, let's run this. Let's see what happens. This should pop up, and then I will just say 5. And if I click OK, it is actually, yeah, drawing our circle of pentagons, you can say. This is quite slow. I can say 20, let's say 25, because this is ridiculously slow. And I will come back here, I will run this again. And I will say this time let's draw hexagons instead of pentagons and see what's going to happen. Yep, it will just keep drawing hexagons just like that. And you can actually draw many other type of shapes that you like. You can just give it whatever the members. If you can also draw a circle of squares, circle of any shape that you are looking for. Alright, with all that's been said, I think this is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, if you have any other ways that you can do this in much easier way, you can show it to us in the comment section below. Alright, thank you so much for watching and goodbye.